I'd like to start by welcoming you to Tarleton State University. I would like to take a few moments to share some information about our programs in Communication Studies. The mission of the Department of Communication Studies is to provide students with a hands-on education through real-world learning experiences to help them build resumes and portfolios that get them jobs. We fulfill this mission through our 5 academic programs. First, we have an emphasis in journalism and broadcasting. We have an emphasis in sports communication. We have an emphasis in public relations and social engagement, an emphasis in travel, event, and activity management, and lastly, our emphasis in professional and relational communication, which is our general communication degree. There's also a variety of different extracurricular opportunities that students can take advantage of to help to build their portfolios. We have our Texan News Service, which is our student-led journalism lab. We have our Tarleton Sports Internship Program, which deals with Tarleton athletics and ESPN Plus broadcasts. We have our Public Relations Student Society of America, where students work with clients on PR campaigns. We have Legendary Weddings and Events, where student interns work to put on events and manage them. And lastly, we have a number of different external partnerships and internships with local nonprofit organizations, small businesses, and even community journalism outlets. So if you're interested in any of these programs or opportunities and want to get some more information, contact me. I'm Chris Gearhart, Department Head in Communication Studies. If you end up joining our team, you'll find out why comm rocks.